Welcome to the Scratch course. Let us program our first game, which is the Pong game. So, let's get started. First, you have to download the Pong game assets file, which I've attached to this lecture. And then, after downloading and opening the Scratch app, open the Pong game assets file you downloaded right now. After you open it and it loads, you can see that there are two sprites. One is the paddle sprite, is the thing of which the ball will bounce off in our game, and the other one is the ball sprite, which will go around the screen and bounce off the edges in our game. And as you can see, I have added a nice beachy backdrop which looks a bit better than the normal white one. So, let's start programming. We will start by programming the paddle sprite first. It is quite easy to program the paddle sprite because all we have to do in that is the paddle sprite should move according to the mouse pointer. The paddle sprite's X position should be equal to the mouse pointer's X. So, let's get started by grabbing a one flat click block. At first, we want the paddle sprite to be horizontally center aligned and somewhat down. So, let's grab go to XY position block and set the X to 0 in the horizontally middle and Y to -128, somewhat down like this. Next, we want it to forever be updating. Hence, we will add a forever block under the control category. And we'll get a go to X block because we want the X position to keep updating forever according to the mouse pointer. After we grab the set X to block, we want it to be the X position of the mouse. So in the sensing category, let's get the mouse X position block and put it in the set X2. Now we have finished programming the paddle sprite and let's test it out. So yeah, the paddle sprite is moving according to the mouse pointer and it's working well. Let us learn how to program the ball sprite in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.